Hi, I'm Alex Nadaf, Chief Cloud Officer at Guidewire Software. We provide a unified platform consisting of software, services, and an ecosystem that lets our carriers run, differentiate, and grow their business. And we do it on top of the AWS platform for infrastructure and services. Customers have been running productivity systems for a number of years in the cloud. They're looking to drive other systems, including their core insurance systems, to the cloud. It's so obvious to us that everything will go cloud in the coming years, that Guidewire is making major investments to prepare ourselves to provide a cloud solution, working on the AWS platform. That means delivering innovation faster. In other cases, it means controlling costs in a different way. In other cases, it means freeing up resources for our customers so that they can focus on innovation for their customers and allow us to do the mechanical work that's underneath the covers. So as Guidewire delivers software to our cloud, we're going to modularize the software further than it's been modularized so far. We're putting more resilient APIs around the software. We're using software development kits to ease integration into the platform. And the whole goal here is to rapidly allow change to come into the platform without having business disruption or downtime. In the new world in the cloud, customers will get value in weeks and months. In the cloud model, we become close partners. We run the software while they run their business. Metlife had a goal to innovate the way that they sell and service insurance to the industry. They wanted to do a digital-first offering, and they wanted to stand it up on a new cloud platform. Now, Metlife wasn't just worried about the technology they were replacing. They were transforming their entire business model. AWS brought confidence to the relationship with Metlife, because when explaining to the very detail-oriented IT team at Metlife why they should trust us, both in terms of security, in terms of data, in terms of resiliency, in terms of scalability, AWS brought a lot of capability to the table. And AWS is willing to interact with the customer and go to the table with us to explain why their data centers are reliable and why they can bring value to the industry. Caring for data, caring for privacy has become more important over the years. What's happening is that the energy and the capability that a company like AWS has to protect data in the cloud is so much stronger than what any individual company can do. When you think about Guidewire taking on more in the cloud and taking on more responsibility from our customers, well, we're not just loading ourselves up on responsibility, we're sharing some of that responsibility with our partner, and our partner in this case is AWS. We do business in 32 countries, and we can partner with AWS in every one of those countries to bring value to our customers. One of the pleasant surprises of working with AWS was learning about the competency framework that AWS brings to the table. It lets us do architectural reviews, it lets us do business reviews, it lets us do consumption reviews. It's a bi-directional discussion where AWS is learning about Guidewire's business and how we take care of our customers, and Guidewire is learning about AWS business and how it takes care of not only companies like us, but other companies in the industry. Anything that we can do to take advantage of the AWS platform that's there today and that's being introduced incrementally is benefiting Guidewire. And so our job is to do the work when we're differentiating the Guidewire insurance platform for our customers, but maximize the use of AWS in doing that.